Looking for a slice of Hawaiian paradise that doesn't disappoint? Let's dive deep into what Prince Waikiki has to offer, from its stunning oceanfront location to every amenity that makes this 4-star resort worth considering for your next island getaway. Let's talk about the rooms at Prince Waikiki, because honestly, this is where the hotel really shines. Every single one of the 601 rooms comes with ocean views, which is pretty impressive when you think about it. The hotel went through a massive $14 million renovation in 2023, so everything feels fresh and modern. You've got 4 main room categories to choose from, starting with the ocean view room at around 400 square feet. These come with either a king bed or 2 queens, and you'll find yourself with a 55-inch smart television, a Nespresso machine for your morning coffee fix, a minibar, a safe for your valuables, and those plush robes and slippers that make you feel fancy. The balcony is standard, which means you can sip your coffee while watching the waves roll in. The marble bathrooms add a touch of luxury without going overboard. If you want something with even better views, the oceanfront room is the same size but positioned to give you direct beach sightlines through those floor-to-ceiling windows. The upgraded linens are a nice touch too. For families or those who just want more space to spread out, the Junior Oceanfront Suite bumps you up to 635 square feet with a separate living and dining area, a wet bar, and a sofa bed that can sleep an extra person. The Premium Oceanfront Suite is the top tier at 900 square feet, featuring multiple rooms including a bedroom, living area, dining space, and 2 bathrooms. You can even opt for butler service if you're feeling particularly indulgent. The panoramic ocean views from the private lanai are absolutely stunning, especially during sunset. All rooms come with free Wi-Fi, USB charging ports, and that modern Hawaiian decor that strikes a nice balance between tropical and contemporary. The maximum occupancy ranges from 4 people in the standard rooms to 6 in the premium suites, making this a solid choice for families or groups traveling together. Keep in mind that prices fluctuate quite a bit depending on when you visit. During the low season from January through March and September through December, you're looking at $350 to $600 per night, while high season from June through August and during holidays can push rates up to $500 to $1,200. Those are rack rates though, so you can often find better deals through the hotel's website or booking platforms. Just remember to factor in the 18.6% in taxes and the $40 per night resort fee when budgeting for your stay. Now let's get into the food and drink situation, because a hotel is only as good as its dining options, right? Prince Waikiki has 4 distinct venues that cover everything from fine dining to casual beachside snacks. The star of the show is 808 Ocean Club, an oceanfront restaurant that specializes in steak and seafood with Hawaiian fusion influences. We're talking Kona lobster, Wagyu steak, and fresh poke bowls with entrees ranging from $50 to $120. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner from 7 in the morning until 10 at night, and the dress code is resort casual, so no need to pack a suit. The restaurant seats about 200 people, and reservations are definitely recommended, especially if you want to catch the sunset. On Friday and Saturday nights, they run a seafood buffet that's become pretty popular with guests. The beach bar is where you'll want to hang out during the day for a more laid-back vibe. Open from 11 in the morning until 11 at night, this spot serves up ahai tacos, shave ice, and those tropical mai tais you came to Hawaii for, with prices ranging from $15 to $40. It's walk-in only with seating for about 150 people, and they have live music every single night, which really adds to the atmosphere. The Prince Waikiki Cafe is your all-day buffet option with international cuisine. They've got an omelet station for breakfast, sushi, local fruits, and a rotating selection that keeps things interesting. At $40 to $60 per person, it's reasonably priced for a hotel buffet, and they're open from 6 in the morning until 10 at night. No reservations needed here, and the space holds 250 people. Sunday brunch is particularly popular. Then there's the Sky Pool Lounge, which is the newest addition to the hotel's dining scene. This rooftop bar opened in 2025 and serves craft cocktails and light bites like charcuterie boards and sliders, priced between $20 and $50. The smart casual dress code applies here, and while it's walk-in friendly, you might want to make a reservation during peak times. They're open from 4 in the afternoon until midnight, and on weekends they bring in DJs, making it a fun spot for evening entertainment. The city and ocean views from up there are absolutely worth the visit. All the restaurants emphasize fresh Hawaiian seafood and Pacific Rim flavors, and you can make reservations through OpenTable or the hotel's app, which makes planning pretty convenient. The pool and beach situation at Prince Waikiki deserves serious attention because this is where the hotel really sets itself apart from competitors. They've got 2 outdoor pools, with the main one being a massive 1,200 square meter infinity-style pool that's become something of an Instagram favorite. The depth ranges from 1 to 1.5 meters, making it suitable for both swimmers and those who just want to wade around. The kids have their own splash area, which parents will definitely appreciate, and there's a swim-up bar where you can order drinks without leaving the water. If you're looking for some privacy, they rent out cabanas, and there's even a water slide that the younger crowd goes crazy for. The pools are open from 6 in the morning until 10 at night year-round, and the hotel provides towels, menu service, and even hosts yoga classes on the pool deck. The hotel's claim to fame is having Waikiki's widest pool deck, and after seeing it, that's not an exaggeration. There's plenty of space to find your spot without feeling crowded, even during busy periods. As for the beach, Prince Waikiki fronts about 300 meters of that famous golden sand Waikiki Beach, which means you've got direct access to one of the world's most iconic stretches of coastline. The hotel offers beach service with umbrellas and chairs for $30 per day, and you can even order food and drinks delivered right to your beach spot. If you're into water sports, they've got kayak and paddleboard rentals at $50 per hour, plus outrigger canoe tours that give you a taste of traditional Hawaiian ocean culture. The beach itself is perfect for swimming, with relatively calm waters and lifeguards on duty. The hotel has made a commitment to sustainability, providing reef-safe sunscreen in all rooms and organizing regular beach cleanups that guests can participate in. The combination of the expansive pool facilities and direct beach access really gives you the best of both worlds, whether you prefer chlorinated water or the open ocean. When it comes to activities beyond the pool and beach, Prince Waikiki keeps things interesting with a solid lineup of options. The fitness center is open 24/7 and features Technogym equipment including treadmills, free weights, and bikes, plus they offer Peloton classes if you're into that. Personal training is available for $100 per hour if you want some guidance. The hotel really embraces Hawaiian culture with complimentary activities like hula lessons, which happen regularly and give you a chance to learn some traditional moves. They've also got a weekly schedule of events that includes a luau every Monday night at 7, priced at $150 per person. It's a full production with traditional food, dancing, and storytelling that gives you a real taste of Hawaiian culture. On Friday and Saturday nights, they bring in a DJ for the pool area, creating a party atmosphere that attracts both guests and locals. Every evening at 8, there's a free hula show that's become a nightly tradition. The hotel organizes guided hikes and snorkel tours to nearby locations, and they offer a shuttle service to Pearl Harbor for $80, which includes a guided tour of this historic site. For those interested in exploring further, they run trips to Hanoma Bay for $50, where you can snorkel in one of the island's most beautiful protected bays. The hotel has won awards including TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice for 2024 and 2025, plus Booking.com's Guest Review Award for 2025 with a rating of 8.6 out of 10. These aren't just participation trophies, they reflect consistent positive feedback from actual guests who have stayed here and enjoyed their experience. The Halamona Spa brings the wellness component to your stay with a full menu of treatments and facilities designed to help you relax and recharge. Their signature treatment is the Lomi Lomi massage, a traditional Hawaiian technique that'll run you $250 for 60 minutes. They also offer facials, body wraps, and various other treatments in their 5 treatment rooms. The spa facilities include a sauna and steam room, plus a relaxation lounge where you can chill out before or after your treatment. Operating hours are 9 in the morning until 6 in the evening, and you can book appointments through the hotel's app or website, which is pretty convenient. The spa uses local ingredients in many of their treatments, incorporating things like coconut, kukui nut oil, and Hawaiian sea salt, which adds an authentic island touch to the experience. While it's not the biggest spa you'll ever see, it's well appointed and the therapists know their stuff. The spa area is designed with a calming aesthetic that incorporates natural materials and ocean-inspired colors, creating an environment that feels separate from the busier parts of the hotel. They also offer wellness programs that might include things like guided meditation or stretching sessions, though these can vary by season. The prices are definitely on the higher end, but that's pretty standard for hotel spas in Waikiki, and the quality of service generally matches the cost. If you're planning to indulge in spa treatments during your stay, it's worth booking in advance, especially during peak travel seasons when appointments fill up quickly. For families traveling with kids, Prince Waikiki has put together some solid options to keep the younger ones entertained. The Prince Waikiki Club welcomes children ages 5 through 12 with a program that runs from 10 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon daily, priced at $50 per day. The club offers crafts, games, and supervised activities that give parents a chance to enjoy some adult time while knowing their kids are having fun in a safe environment. The kids' splash area at the pool is specifically designed for younger swimmers, with shallower water and features that are age-appropriate. The hotel's location right on Waikiki Beach means easy access to gentle waves that are perfect for kids learning to swim or play in the ocean. Many of the rooms, particularly the junior oceanfront suites and larger, come with sofa beds that make accommodating families more practical without needing to book multiple rooms. The hotel staff seems to genuinely enjoy working with families, and you'll often see them going out of their way to make kids feel welcome. The restaurants all have kids' menus with options that go beyond the standard chicken fingers, though those are available too if that's what your child prefers. During certain times of the year, the hotel organizes special family-friendly events like Halloween beach parties that create memorable experiences for kids. The beach bar Shave Ice is a huge hit with children, and watching them enjoy this Hawaiian treat while sitting by the ocean is one of those simple vacation moments that makes the trip worthwhile. While there isn't a dedicated playground on the property, the beach itself serves that purpose pretty well, and the hotel can arrange for beach toys and sandcastle building equipment. The combination of kid-specific programming, family-friendly room configurations, and a location that's inherently appealing to children makes Prince Waikiki a solid choice for family vacations. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.